this video, I'm going to show you how to create a scatter plot using the Desmos Graphing Calculator. You're going to go to the top corner where it says a plus button and add an item, and we're going to add a table. I'm going to enter the values from the worksheet example in step 2, and each time I select a number, I'm just hitting enter to go to the next line. And then I'm going to hit the Y values, enter those. All right, so now I have entered all 6 points. Now this is the ordered pair 195, 388, 580. And notice that the scale over here on the graph is much smaller than that. So I can't see the points from the table just yet, but I'll show you how to get them. So if you look here, there's this magnifying glass, and if you hover over it, it says Zoom Fit. This is the Zoom Fit button. When I click it, notice that the window adjusts, and now I can see all of the ordered pairs from the table. If I click on an ordered pair, you can see the values of it. So these all match the ordered pairs listed in the table. And the last part I want to show you is how to customize this plot. So if you go to this red dot and click and hold, you'll notice that you can change these points, and they can become X's or squares or stars or whatever shape you would like them to be. And you can also adjust the color here. Now we don't want to turn this into lines because that's not a scatter plot, that's different. We want to leave them as individual points. And that's how you create a scatter plot using the Desmos Graphing Calculator.